Surprise! Wow!
Bibili na sila ng bundok, mga kapatid. Rest house. With kayak, fish pan, diving area.
Hi! And welcome to our video.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys, ay magde-decorate lang po tayo at kakain kasi it's Lala Mama's birthday! Where's Lala Mama? This way! With the $55 sissy cream!
Hi!
Hi! Her tinted moisturizer is $55!
From Eat.
Eat cosmetic ba yun?
Yeah. But it's good.
Okay, so samahan nyo lang kami guys sa mag-decorate. Tingnan natin kung kaya namin mag-decorate. And then later, magluluto tayo for the dinner.
I'll leave you for a while.
It's Lala Mama's 50th birthday!
Yay!
Yeah! She's getting old. And she has one na po only. Poor Mama.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name.
Today, it's Mama's birthday. So, we're gonna they're doing the decorations. I'm starting off the vlog because she's busy, so I've taken over for now. But I want to show you guys our cards. So Tita hasn't done anything with her card yet. It's still very plain. She hasn't wrote anything yet because she's been busy doing the decorations. See, nothing written. I do have my card, which is amazing by the way, and it has a lot. I even have a little smiley face here that says from Bebe to Mama. I have a little I love you note, which you should love yourself. Then I have a little writing here, and that's it. Then it says Lala Mama to Joiecaabay from Princess Mia Lane. Dear Mama, thank you for taking care of me and loving me even when you're having a hard time. I want you to know I love Bebe. And then I added some stickers to it. It's a very short message, but it's still a message. But anyways, let's go check on the two sisters. This is the decorations. Don't mind that. And that. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi!
Look how cute these things are. And then here is a metallic thing where you guys can see yourselves. This is the pack that we use. We got it at, where did we buy this? We bought this at Party City. It's actually really cute. And like, the metallic thing comes with the set. Tita, come on. I introduced myself to the vlog. Come on.
I'm not gonna include that in the vlog.
You better include it. I'm watching it.
Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I've shaken off the weight. I don't need it.
Surprise! Wow! See? I know! We did that!
Cooking time na, guys! Si sister, nagluluto siya ngayon ng lumpiang beef. And mine, nakatoka ko for pansit. Ayan, titikman daw nilang aking pansit. Tapos na si mother sa kanyang beef caldereta and bistec kay grandma. So, magluto tayo. Sour Shanghai.
Dadart ko pa.
And yung mga Shanghai niya, na puti. Ano ba yan? I-darken mo naman, sister.
Nagalas mo dark una.
Ay, kasi dapat yun yung sili, oh. Yun yung may maanghang, eh.
Hayaan mo, chap ko yan mamaya. Katapos niyo.
Sarap. Ow!
Mahirap naman makarap.
Mainit, Degi! It's hot, daw. Mama? Huwag mo pa yung ugat. Ito na yung decor namin, guys. Yan talaga yung pinaghirapan ko kanina. Yung pabalon ni mother. Yung balon namin. Ito yung decoration ni Antananing. Happy birthday! Na nag-away pa sila ni grandma. Pinaglaban talaga niya yung decoration niya na yan. And also this one, ang decoration namin dito na yan. Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Yeah! May you live long, Mama! May you live long, Mama! May you live long, may you live long, may you live long, Mama! Diego! Make a wish!
No, Spanish rain.
Ayun! Malati nagpicture! Happy birthday! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mama!
Thank you. My wish is we always get together as we grow old, you and Papa, me, Papa, and everyone.
Just Antonaning?
And we
And for
want a
Tito.
cousin for Bebe.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I hope so!
And thank you for my mom. For
Grandma.
giving me life, mother.
Mayor! Yee!
And to my Papa, thank you.
Yehey! Walang ligaw!
Even though you're always rusty.
What?
Sino nag-arama dati?
That's grandma's recipe.
Pabili natin yung bundok.
Patatas.
Ang gusto ko lang doon, yung ano,
Bibili na sila ng bundok, mga kapatid.
hindi pang negosyo.
Rest house. With kayak, fish pan, diving area.
Wow.
Ang gusto ko lang lagyan ng mga animals, yung manok,
Farm
baka,
bill. Farm bill.
Farm!
tapos may mga gulay doon na tayo kukuha ng ano, pagkain natin sa araw-araw.
Di mo sure. Pakataihan lang ni Diego. Kasi nag-retire kayo, tapos ikaw, joke man ni Diego.
Hindi mayawi.
Ang papel na.
Iyawin mo, nyari medyo man.
Siyempre, nag-move kayo amin dyan lang ang mga umuyawi doon. Second.
Go, go, go.
Wait, Bibs!
Second na una
Okay,
yun.
1, 2, 3.
First, 3 words. How many words? 1 word.
It's
Okay. Love. Heartbreak. Break up.
Heartbroken?
Heartbroken? No. Broken?
Tito Tawel? Tito Tawel?
Tito Tawel?
Tito Jan?
Tito Jen? Nauto mo kami ha? Inuuto mo naman kami eh.
Ano ibig sabihin na tamaan si Tawel?
Bakit tinigol?
Baka mamaya ipahingan yan.
It's an animal this time.
Animal ka no, animal.
Okay, start!
Timer starts now. Now na. Kangaroo. Bunny.
You know what?
Squirrel. Beaver.
Bibi!
Is this a fish?
May pa-swimming pa!
Are you jumping or swimming? Dolphin. Yeah! So smart.
Bibi,
I cannot
Iwan din kangaroo. I can just like iwan din
It can
kangaroo.
swim and it can jump, so it's the dolphin, right?
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Hello, guys. This is Kate. She is new. Hi, and welcome to our video, the Tita Better Post. Yeah, welcome to our show. We're gonna be reviewing my old phone today because it's very so small. Welcome to our video. What happened? You look like a fish boy. Hey, can I bring this vlog? Can I bring the vlog?
No!
We will buy for you.
You will buy tomorrow in Best Buy.
No.
Where's the card? Is that yours?
Wow, you have so nice handwriting naman.
Wow!
See, meron pa siyang pa-heart na gano'n. I love
The banking.
you. Yeah. I don't know how she got it, but love bebe.
And she
Lala
used
Mama.
the
To
used the
Lala
stickers.
From
To Rose
Princess.
Mia. Lala Mama, Rose Mia kaabay.
Parang nasobra. With the sobra. With the envelope, of course. With return address pa sa
From Princess Mia, dear Mama.
Thank you for taking care of me and loving me even when you were having a hard time. I want you to know I love you. Love, bebe.
Wow! So thoughtful naman. Even if you have COVID, Mama's taking care of you.
And even if she has work.
Good night, everyone. Pack up na po. Pack up na ang party. Nakauwi na ang mga bisita. Ay, may bisita pa pala kami dito. May isa pa. Si Mayora. Nandito pa pala si Mayora. Mayora, kumusta naman po ang... Ay, iba na naman ang outfit, Mayora.
Of course.
Of course. Sabi. May pa-change outfit ka pa, Mayora. Hey guys, close ko na pala tong vlog na ito at nang makatulog na rin kami. So, thank you so much everyone for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching it.
Pero tingnan mo kung anong ano lang ang kaya niya, kung minus something.
Everywhere
So, I'll
on
just get this
TV,
one as well.
couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be
Oh my
without
God, this is
someone special
tight.
in